Let's begin sitting on our heels at the back of our mat and bring your palms together right at your heartbeat and close the eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and a big exhale, and just begin to arrive with yourself. Connect to your heart. Allow things to come and go, keeping your heart as open as the sky. Take a deep inhale and a nice, easy exhale. Reach your palms forward, open wide on an inhale, lift the chin, and then exhale, round and curl, bringing the palms back together. Inhale, open everything up. Exhale, round and curl, chin to chest, palms touch. Inhale, open up your heart. And exhale, round and curl. Good, one more. Big breath in, open wide, expand. And then exhale, bring the palms back together and draw them right back into your heartbeat. Release your hands on the earth and begin to pick up the hips, coming into a forward fold, Uttanasana. Keep the knees bent and let gravity do the work as we grab our elbows. Find a gentle sway, left and right in the spine. Just breathing big here, letting go. Keep your hands on your elbows as we round and curl it up, one vertebrae at a time, bringing in the navel into the spine. And then release the arms over the head, reaching up to the sky, palms in prayer, tailbone reaching towards the earth, growing nice and tall. Good. And then exhale. Clasp the hands behind you. Inhale, open your heart. Shoulder blades hug the spine. And forward fold to a halfway point with the spine hinging at the hips. Put a soft bend in your left knee and drop the left shoulder down. Inhale back to center. Exhale, slight bend in your right knee and drop the right shoulder. Look left. Inhale back to center. Exhale, look right. Breathe. Keep moving the shoulders away from the ears, back to center. Inhale. Exhale, drop the shoulder to the right and look left. Good. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, fold. And the palms come up towards the sky. Keep moving those shoulders away from your ears. Gentle shake in the head, yes and no. Really grounded through the feet. Good. And then inhale, round and curl it up. Let your palms guide you back up. Good. Release the arms, circle them down, around, and up. Good. And then on an exhale, swan dive, forward fold all the way to the earth. Good. Plant your palms and step back, finding a downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Good, breathe. Go ahead and pedal out your feet, stretching the backs of the legs, tailbone up towards the sky as the chest melts towards the thighs. Good, keep breathing, opening everything up here. And then come high on your toes, round and curl it forward to a plank. Good. Feel your plank. Press the earth away, rock and roll left and right. Breathing big. The head, the heart, and the hips are in alignment. And then drop your heels to the right and bring that left arm right up and touch your heart space. Come back to center. Good. Drop the heels to the left and touch your right hand right to your heartbeat and come back to center. Drop the heels to the right. Reach that arm all the way up. Exhale back to center. Drop the heels to the left, reaching that right arm all the way up. And exhale Come back to center. Good. One more. Heels right. Left arm all the way up. Open your heart. Reach that arm over the ear and take it back to center. Heels go to the left. Take that right arm all the way up and open up. Use your breath. Right arm over the ear. Exhale. Take it back to center. Good. Slowly drop your knees. Release the hips and come into a gentle kind of a hybrid upward facing dog. Looking over your left shoulder and then your right. And then exhale. Bring everything down. Good. Clasp the hands behind you. On an inhale, the shoulder blades hug the spine, pick up your feet, spread your yogi toes, circle the ankles, Shalambhasana variation here, and breathe. The neck stays long, and then exhale, release. Good, beautiful. And then bring your palms right under your shoulders and press yourself back up. And take the hips back, finding a child's pose. Forehead down. Good. Hips are back towards the heels. And just breathe. Take a big breath in and a big breath out. And then round and curl, coming up onto your knees for Ustrasana, camel pose. Good. Tuck your toes and bring your palms right on your sacrum, your lower back. This is option 1. Good. And then on an inhale, we press our hips forward, and with the middle spine, we bring the heart up and we find our back bend. Make it work for you. The chin can be in towards the chest. You can look up. Only if it feels comfortable do you ever release your neck back. Good, and then come back to center. Option 2, we find our hands back on our heels. Keep tucking the tailbone. And then again, lift through that thoracic spine, your middle spine. Lift the chest, the heart. And look up towards the sky, feeling this spaciousness. And again, only if it feels good do you ever drop the head all the way back. You can always look forward if that feels better for the neck. And then take one more breath right into the heart. Feel your heart space expand and open wide. Good, beautiful. And then exhale, left hand, left hip, right hand, right hip. Good. Bring your seat all the way back and find that child's pose. One more time and just let everything go here and breathe. Take a deep breath in and a big breath out. Good, and then gently round and curl, coming right back up to where we started, sitting on our heels. Hands at your heartbeat. Again, finding that movement. Reach the prayer arms forward, open up, wide expand. Exhale, palms touch, round and curl. Inhale, my heart is open wide. Exhale, I let go of what blocks me to love. Inhale, I am open to new experiences. Exhale, I release all past mistakes. Inhale, I live in harmony and peace with others. Exhale, I let go of fear. And then inhale, bring those palms right back into your heartbeat. Good, take a deep breath in and a big breath out as we bring our palms over the heart. Close the eyes, feel your heartbeat, feel this spaciousness in the heart center that you've created. I am open to love. I am worthy of love. I am love.